Hello everyone. In this video lecture, now we are going to see the installation of Arduino IDE and what are the contents that are present in that software. Go to browser and enter Arduino IDE download and type the first link software Arduino. Yeah, here you can select based on your operating system and since mine is Windows 10 and 64-bit, I am directly clicking on it. Yeah, it will ask for contribute and download or just download. Go with just download. If you are interested, you can give mail and subscribe it. But I am not doing that process. Just click on download. Yeah, here .exe file will be downloaded. Yes, now once it is downloaded, open it. It will accept for agree, accept and all. Click for OK. And users can be one or multiple users based on your desktop. Since for my desktop there is a single user, I am choosing it. Next. Yeah. And it will ask you to select a part for installation, or you can do any of your particular folders also. Once you click on install, all the dependencies will be installed and I'm not doing it because already Arduino IDE is installed in my system. From here you can choose the location. Yes. After complete installation, go to search bar and type for Arduino IDE and open it. Uh, you won't get directly like this because as I have already done few projects, so I am getting directly like this. Initially, it will ask for few installations. You need to agree with all those installations. And now coming to individual components of Arduino IDE. Yeah, in program must and should we use these two loops, and other than that, we can may or may not use anything, but these two are mandatory. That's why here you can see. For example, I am opening a new sketch. Yes. Here I am getting directly void setup and void loop. Void setup is for running once and void loop runs repeatedly. Means in setup you can declare the pin as input or output, such kind of things. In loop you can write the execution part, what actually you want to perform. And coming to here, this is the folder. As I have mentioned, once you save any file or a particular folder, when you give the path for installation, it will ask it, or for the first saving, you can set a default folder. And from second time, always you will get directly to save in that. These are all my saved files in that particular folder. And yeah, this is board manager for installation of boards. And here, one thing everyone should install is Arduino Uno. Actually, it comes with pre-built installation. If it does not come, you need to install Arduino AVR by Arduino. And Arduino Uno, since we are working with R3, no need R4 installation. And next, coming to library manager. Library manager is nothing but we can import multiple libraries. Yeah, from here, if you open the library manager, you can access only the libraries which are present in the Arduino IDE, and you can install only those. For example, just a second, DHT11. For one sensor, we are going to install this package for temperature sensor, and I have already installed. If you want to remove, you can just click on remove. And debugging, yeah. Here you can see actually it will ask for select board. Since I have already worked with Arduino Uno, default it will come as Arduino Uno. And from here you can open what type of Arduino boards you are having. Since mine is Arduino Uno, I have selected Arduino Uno. You can select your respective board and click on OK. And next, here you can see a tick symbol, right? This is for compiling. Verify is nothing but for compiling the sketch. And next, this is for uploading. Uploading to Arduino Uno. Debugging is not present for Arduino Uno. And to close this sidebar, you can double click on it. And next, coming to here, file. In file, a new sketch will open. Yeah, here you can see like a new window it has open. And still, you can click on open and in that particular folder, these are all the subfolders. Yeah, actually, whatever you save in this Arduino, it will save as .ini file. You need to open that one, but it will be within that particular automatically the folder will be created. See here, you can see blink and blink.ino. Similarly, for buzzer, buzzer.ino. Like that, with .ino file is the extension for it. And for example, if you want to open just the recent one you want to see here, you can see the recent programming files. And here in examples, you can see that in some versions, these many are not available. Based on your installation version, you will get. These are all the direct inbuilt codes. We need to give just connections and install any respective libraries. Actually, this will only suggest you if any libraries are required. Our first program will be based on Blink LED, which is the basic one. By clicking on it, you will get a new sketch, and within that sketch, you will get this code. You can see here. Only this is the code, and similarly for a larger examples, there will be the packages which you need to install from Arduino IDE or from any GitHub. Next, edit is simply for saving, cutting, copy, paste, and all. Yeah, and coming to sketch here. Here you can see include library. This include library is nothing but library manager. If we click manage libraries, we are going to get this library manager. And here you can see add .zip library. This is nothing but any packages. Like here you can see right some of the packages I have downloaded from GitHub. For example, RFID master and Arduino DHT master. Those are available in GitHub. From GitHub, if we download, first you need to extract these files, and that .zip file extension you need to select here. So like that you can add zip files. Next, coming to tools. In tools, board manager, as I have showed directly from here also you can select the board you are using. I'm going to use from Arduino AVR boards, and here you can see as I have discussed the Arduino types. You can see Arduino N, Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega, Arduino Micro, Arduino Mini, and many types of Arduinos are available. We are going to work with Arduino Uno. Yeah, this port now it does not work. Once you connect your with USB port the Arduino Uno, then the port will be clickable, and that time the port should here you can see Arduino Uno and COM4 not connected. If it is connected only, your application runs. Otherwise, it does not run. Here for help, you can use this one. Yeah, here on corners you can see that serial plotter and serial monitor are present. In serial monitor, we are going to see the output. For example, we are going to print statements, for example, in any of the programming language. We'll get the output on some console window, right? This is the console window for this Arduino IDE. This is how the Arduino IDE works. And in the next lecture, we are going to perform the basic experiment in the Tinkercad software. Within that video only, we are going to cover how to work in Tinkercad and the buzzer program. Don't worry, buzzer again I am going to buzzer and blink LED again I am going to implement with Arduino Uno and this Arduino IDE software also. As this one requires an hardware, we can't operate here. Tinkercad is the online editor where we can work with the basic things. So in the next lecture, we are going to learn about the Tinkercad and how to use it. Thank you.